So the concrete threshold that I'm pouring now is just to set the elevation of these formboards and off the sidewall here, so that when the rest of the concrete gets poured, they'll pour right to this. Hopefully I can get someone to pour it for me. If not, then I'm going to have to do it myself. Now this concrete, this was two 80-pound bags and a 60-pound bag for this little area here, and it's just at 4 inches deep. So sackcrete doesn't go a long way. It's good for post holes and stuff like that, but if you're going to do a large area, a 18 by 13 foot area, then you're probably looking at a professional contractor to come in. I'm doing this without being able to see it, so I'm doing it all by feel. I have spread concrete many times in my life, so I do have a residual memory of how it goes. But at the same time, not being able to see it, I'm just going by feel. I've let it butter up, set up for a little bit, and now when I set my trowel on these boards, I can kind of feel nice and gently. I can smooth this out, but it doesn't take much pressure at all on your trowel. And when cement sets up, the cream comes to the top, so it's pretty much just wet, and you can dig into it really easily if you're not careful. You got to kind of hold one edge up. The forward leading edge has to be up a little bit, and you're just kind of trailing along and pushing that concrete over. But I'm doing this completely by feel. And I know it leaves lines, but what we do is we let this set up, and then I'll brush it lightly with a brush, and it'll be okay. But getting that level is what's tough. And then I hit my stakes because I don't know they're there. But that is pretty much the way it goes right there. Now, once I establish this threshold, then I'll set my gate to height about 1.5 inches above this concrete. And that'll be it. Stay tuned for the rest of this.